Now we are going to discuss the example 9. In this question, it mentioned that in the figure, triangle ABC and triangle CDE are equilateral triangles. Now we draw them first. That is triangle ABC. We draw in the red color. Okay. And the triangle CDE, we draw it in the green color. So here are two equilateral triangles. So what we know is that the sides in red color are equal, and the sides in green color are also equal. And there are 6 angles are equal to 60 degrees, including angles AB and the angle ACB, and also these 3 angles in the green colors. They are all equal to 60 degrees. That is by the properties of equilateral triangle. And as this question included quite complicated figures, so there's a very important skill is that we can draw it separately. That is the triangle ABC, including 360 degrees and 3 equal sides. And for the triangle CDE, we also have 3 equal sides and 360 degrees. Okay, so we back to the question. It is given that it formed 2 different triangles. Which are they? Including the triangle ADC. So it is better for us to draw it by ourselves. This is the triangle ACD, including the X. That is 80 degree, and that is the 60 degree. So can you see that? After we draw it, actually we know it. Okay, that is how to find the X. That is by saying that the angle CAD is equal to 60 degrees. The reason why we can write that is the properties of equilateral triangle. Secondly, by this yellow triangle, we know that 60 degree added to 80 degree and plus x will be equal to 180 degree. That is by the angle sum of triangle. So we can find that x is equal to 40 degrees. And after we found that x is equal to 40 degrees, actually we can add it back on the figure. That is 40 degrees. And if we want to find the y, actually we can see that okay, the angle ACB is equal to 60 degrees. This one is 60 degrees. And actually we can see that the relationships between x and y is related to the angle DCB. So it's quite important for us to find the value of angle DCB. So as we know that the angle ACB is equal to angle DCE, that is equal to 60 degrees. That is by the property of equilateral triangle. Therefore, the angle DCB plus x would be equal to 60 degrees. And as we have found that x is equal to 40 degrees, so angle DCB plus 40 degrees is equal to 60 degrees. So that we can find that angle DCB would be equal to 20 degrees. And then by the same principle that angle DCE is equal to 60 degrees, so that y plus angle DCB is equal to 60 degrees. And we have found that DCB is equal to 20, so that y plus 20 degrees is equal to 60 degrees. So lastly, we can find that y is also equal to 40 degrees. That's it.